Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is LED switching using push button. Now let's see what all the components we will require for this project. So we will need one breadboard, one IC CD4017, this is counter IC, one 4-pin push button, one resistor of 470 ohm, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, one LED, some connecting wires, 9-volt battery and a battery snapper. This is the circuit diagram of switching LED using push button. So first of all, take IC CD4017, keep the notch point on left side and place the IC on the breadboard. Connect pin number 16 of the IC to the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 8 of the IC to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect pin number 15 and pin number 4 of the IC together. Connect pin number 13 to the negative rail of the breadboard. Take a 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to pin number 2 of the IC. Take one LED, the longer terminal is positive terminal and shorter terminal is negative terminal. Connect the positive terminal of LED to the another terminal of resistor and negative terminal of LED to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now take a 4-pin push button and place it on the breadboard. Now connect one terminal of push button to the positive rail of the breadboard. Take a 1 kilo ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the another end of push button and second terminal to the negative line of the breadboard. Connect the second terminal of push button to pin number 14 of the IC. So this is how we are done with the connection. Now let's connect the battery. Connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive lane of the breadboard and negative terminal of battery to the negative line of the breadboard. So this is the output of LED switching using push button project. As you can see, the LED is on as of now. When I press the push button, the LED turns off. When I press the push button again, the LED will turn on again. So this is how we are going to switch the LED on and off by pressing the push button. This is how an LED switching using push button project works. Thank you.